after they have heard the teaching of Jesus, they have said, this is a hard teaching. You cannot accept this. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, may mga teaching sa Bible na easy to accept. Sinabi, pag binasa sa Bible na Joshua 1:8, you will be blessed, and everything will be okay with you, di ba? And the Lord will supply all my needs, all of this gloriously. Mga promises, maganda yun. Pero meron pong hard truth that's hard to embrace. You must die to yourself. Getting up your sin. When you talk about Christ's Lordship, total surrender, giving up everything, just Him alone in your life. Ang hirap niya, di ba? Marami akong mga kapanabay noong dekada 80, tumalikod dahil they cannot count and pay the price, the cost of following Jesus. Why? When you follow Jesus, the price is there are things that you have to give up in your life. Kasama niyo yung mga bisyo, masamang ugali, maling ugnayan sa kapwa, maybe a wrong relationship that you are holding on to, and you are not giving it up. Those hard teaching from the Lord. Gusto lang natin na, bless me, bless me, bless me, bless me. That is just one side of the coin. But remember, the cross speaks about, hey, you already must dead yourself. You are no longer living, just like what the Bible says in Galatians chapter 2, verse 20. For I have been crucified with Christ. It is no longer I who live. It is not manipulated anymore, who used to be a drug addict, who used to be a chain smoker, who used to be a womanizer. I have been crucified with Christ already. It is not I living anymore. Nevertheless, I live by faith only in the Son of God who loves me and gave himself up for me. I live only by faith in the Son of God. That's the purpose of marriage. I just trust Him. I don't trust anymore for what I want, what I can get, what I can achieve, what I can gain. Not in my own personal interest.